Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on eToro. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in etoro.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official eToro website. Now from the home page, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. From the login portal, in order to sign up, simply click on the sign up button at the bottom section. Once you click on this, you will be taken into the registration page. Now you can use your Google or your Facebook account to sign up for a shortcut, or you can manually enter your email address. Just type in your email address followed by your desired username. Then enter your preferred password for your account and then accept the term and conditions. Finally, click on the create account button and now you will be asked to check your inbox to activate right now. So log into your email account that you used to sign up after clicking on activate now. You can click on resend code if you haven't received your code, and then you can enter the verification code that you find within your email within this box. Finally, click on the activate now button and your account will immediately be activated. You can then fill up your account information, and once you have been signed up, you can now use your credentials to access your account from this point on. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on eToro. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.